I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of project management. In this session, I'm going to discuss project feasibility studies. What do you mean by project feasibility studies? Before undertaking a project, you should have some viability analysis. Will the project be success in different aspects? Whether project is feasible in technology based, is the project feasible in economic wise, is the project feasible in financial wise, or whether the project will be feasible in societal perspectives. In that you should have some analysis that is generally called as project feasibility study. We'll discuss about important project feasibility study. It will really help you out before undertaking or before carrying out a suitable convenient project. The first type of feasibility analysis is known as commercial and economic feasibility. Here, you have to analyze the earning capacity of the project. Once the project is implemented, will it give the return? Okay, how much amount it will give back per month or per annum or in the quarterly or half year, whatever it can be. Present demand of the goods in the market right now that you have to analyze. You should have a deep analysis. Possible, do the market survey. Future demand of the goods. Okay, goods and materials. Suppose once you develop a project and you are, for example, you just developed a late manufacturing company, late machine you develop. What could be the output? That is the output will be valid for in the forthcoming years or forthcoming like months, that you have to have a better feasibility analysis. Anticipated rate of return, ROI. You have to consider anticipated rate return on investment. Okay. How suppose you might have invested 10 lakhs. Will it when it will come back? Will you be getting like a profit? Correct. You need to satisfy the investors, stakeholders, etc. Next is actually called equal important, as that of commercial and economical feasibility. That is technological or technical feasibility. In order to develop a project, we require sufficient amount of tools and machinery, computers, tools, softwares, etc., software, hardware, etc. Availability of labor, technical staff, skilled workforce are required. Without skilled workforce, we cannot complete any kind of work. And other input technology, such as the new tool you can see about the AI, predictive analysis, etc. And the various supportive segments which are required for completion of the project. That is generally called as technical feasibility. Whether the system is whether the upgraded system is available or not. If the obsolete system, definitely it will hamper our project. So system should be upgraded. Then only it can be suitable for the market. For example, uh, like will you be using lower version of Android? No, it is actually very higher version, right? So lower version will be that is already obsolete. That is now, right now are you using Windows 98 or Windows 98 are you using? No, because that is outdated in the market. Are you using like a small CRT monitor as like our or CRT TV? No, we are not using that. We are going like OLED, LED, higher version, higher end. So next feasibility study is generally known as financial feasibility. This is also very important. So all the aspects actually. Here actually financial statement, preparation of the financial statement. Before, if you want to get any kind of financial loan or financial support from any type of financial institute, you need to provide the break-even report. You require like a break-even report. You should know how to write the break-even report. As a project manager, if you are working in the similar domain, you should know how to write the break-even report. Then what could be the total project cost, total budget of the project? Then initial capital requirements, how much amount is required? Then income statements, okay. Then cash flow analysis. There are different type of models. You can adopt any type of model. Balance sheet, return on equity, then price analysis, attractive return on the investment of the project. All the aspects you have to consider. This is regarding the financial feasibility. So next is called managerial feasibility. Managerial. It is related to like a management skills. The success or failure of the project merely depending on how the project manager that like hold the material, all the related things, how he is going to control budget, then technical stuffs, material, men, labor, etc. That is actually the key success. Managerial feasibility is one of the most important thing. We should require a capable project manager, else our project is going to be like a slip. It will be slipped actually. So remember that whenever you are doing the appointment of a project manager, see his experience, capability, like the skills, all the assets you have to take care into the account. Otherwise, it will be like what I can say, project will be slipped actually. There is a, you are inviting a project slippage that never should be happened because you are investing huge amount and we should require a good person to manage everything. Project manager is needed. So last one is actually, last type of feasibility is generally called as social feasibility. Ultimately, common people should accept the project. I think did you hear about one nuclear power plant project in the Tamil Nadu, Kudamkulam? Many of the people are actually objected to establish the Kudamkulam nuclear power plant because those who are residing in the area, definitely they will be getting the negative impact. So that is actually well, like a resistance, a public resistance that will be there always. So that you have to consider. It should be beneficial for the project. Whenever you are taking a project, that should be beneficial to the society. Else, it will be hampered. And you might have heard about like a Chernobyl disaster. That is actually that project that should not be accepted. Unfortunately, that got accepted and that led lot of problems. Correct. Just search it on that. You can have a lot of case studies regarding that. Then interest of the general public, that is most essential. Without interest of general public, no project will be succeeded. That is the ultimate thing. So all feasibility study you have to consider, all are having equal importance. In this short video, I discussed about the various type of project feasibility studies such as commercial and economic feasibility, technological feasibility, financial feasibility, managerial feasibility, ultimately social feasibility. Let me know if you have any questions related to this particular topic. I request you to share the video if this is very useful to you. Also, if you want to get the similar kind of videos related to management and general knowledge, kindly subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day.